morning, students. Today I'll start with the exercise 4.2. So I'll start with the exercise 4.2. I'm going to question number first home letter, first one. So solve dy by dx equal to a e power y. Now y taking one side, x taking one side. So first you cross multiply dy equal to a e power y into dx. First step you can cross multiply e power y inside e power minus y. E power minus y into dy equal to a into dx. Y taking one side, x taking one side. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Here integrating integration of e power minus y into dy. Here integrating a constant dx. We know the formula e power minus y. Integration of e power minus y minus e power minus y. So e power minus y integrating minus e power minus y. Dx integrating x, integrating we get one constant c. Now e power minus inside plus ax plus e power minus y plus c equal to 0. That is the final answer. Now I will going to question number 2. First Roman letter, second sum. Solve 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus y equal to xy into dy by dx. So this is the given data. Now we can cross multiply 1 plus x square. This x is a product inside divide into dx equal to this side you cross multiply 1 plus y into y dy. Numerator 2 term given, we can split in 1 by x plus x square by x into dy. Y inside multiplying, y inside multiplying y plus y square into dy. 1x, x get cancelled. Here cross multiplying dx. So 1 by x plus x into dx equal to y plus y square into dy. Integrating on both sides. Now integrating on both sides. Here integrating integration of 1 by x plus x into dx. Here integrating y plus y square into dy. Inside of the bracket 2 term we can split in 1 by x into dx plus x dx. Inside of the bracket 2 term y dy plus integration of y square dy. Now we can integrating. We know the formula integration of 1 by x into dx log x. So 1 by x into dx log x. No power, it become 1. So what type of the formula you want to apply? X power n. Formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. N is 1. 1 plus 1 x square by 2. No power, it become 1. 1 plus 1 y square by 2. The power become 2. 2 plus 1 y cube by 3. Integrating, we get one constant c. So the final answer is log x plus x square by 2 equal to y square by 2 plus y cube by 3 plus c. That is the final answer. Now I am going to second sum. Solve y into 1 minus x minus x into dy by dx equal to 0. Minus term inside plus y into 1 minus x equal to x into dy by dx. Y taking one side, x taking one side. Now you cross multiply 1 minus x, this product inside, divide into dx equal to product inside divide dy by y. Now x taking one side, y taking one side. So now integrating on both sides. Now integrating on both sides. Here integrating, integration of 1 minus x by x into dx. Here integrating dy by y. We can splitting integration of 1 by x minus x by x into dx. Integration of dy by y. X get cancelled. Integration of 1 by x minus 1 into dx. Integration of dy by y. Inside of the bracket 2 term we can splitting. Integration of 1 by x into dx minus dx equal to integration of dy by y. Now we can integrating. Integration of 1 by x into dx formula log x minus dx integrating x. Integration of dy by y log y. Integrating we get one constant c. So this is the final answer. So the final answer is log x minus x equal to log y plus c. I will go into third Roman letter. First question. Solve y dx minus x dy equal to 0. The question is solve y dx minus x dy equal to 0. Y dx minus inside plus x dy. Y taking one side, x taking one side. Dx by x equal to dy by y. Now integrating on both sides. Here integrating, integration of dx by x. Here integrating dy by y. We know the formula. Integration of dx by x log x dy by y log y. Integrating we get one constant log c. For all the sums c only included, y you can put log c, log, everything log, so log c is a constant. Now you want to apply by product rule. Now you want to apply by product rule. What is the product rule? Log a plus log b. Product rule, log a plus log b equal to log of ab. That is the product rule. So log x equal to log y plus log c log of yc or cy. So log cancel, x equal to cy. So the final answer is x equal to cy. Now I will go into third room letter, second sum. Solve dy by dx plus e power x plus y e power x equal to 0. E power x is common, so dy by dx, e power x taking outside, there is no term 1. E power x taking outside plus y equal to 0. The total plus term inside minus dy by dx equal to minus e power x into 1 plus y taking one side, x taking one side. Before you cross multiplying, dy equal to minus e power x 1 plus y into dx, y taking one side, dy by product inside divide minus e power x into dx. Now integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides. So here integration of dy by 1 plus y. Here integrating e power x into dx. We know the formula. Integration of dy by y log y, log of denominator 1 plus y, e power x integrating we get one constant, that is c. So the final answer is log of 1 plus y equal to minus e power x plus c. Now I go into fourth sum. The question is solve cos x into 1 plus cos y into dx minus sin y into 1 plus sin x into dy, it becomes 0. The total minus term inside plus cos x into 1 plus cos y dx minus inside plus sin y 1 plus sin x into dy. X taking one side, y taking one side. Now, so x taking one side, what is the term given? Cos x. So cos x by this product inside divide 1 plus sin x into dx equal to 1 sin y, product inside, divide, product inside, divide, 1 plus cos y into dy. Now integrating on both sides. Now integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides. Here integrating, integration of cos x by 1 plus sin x into dx. Here integrating sin y by 1 plus cos y into dy. When denominator differentiating, we get numerator. Differentiation of 1 0, sin x differentiating cos x. Differentiation of 1 0, cos y sin y. So we know the formula, integration of f dash of x by f of x into dx. The formula is log of f of x. What time this particular formula you want to apply? Denominator differentiating, we get numerator, log of denominator. You want to apply by the particular formula. So now you want to apply by the formula. So, but one small changes. The denominator 1 differentiating 0. Cos x sin x differentiating minus cos x. The numerator become minus coming. So here minus is missing. So you can insert for minus. So now you want to apply by these two integrating. Sin y by 1 plus cos y. Denominator differentiating, we get numerator. Log of denominator. Log of denominator 1 plus cos y. So denominator differentiating, we get numerator, but one minus is missing. Minus log of denominator. Denominator 1 plus sin x. When integrating, we get one constant log c. Minus inside plus log of 1 plus cos y plus log of 1 plus sin x equal to log c. Log a plus log b. So now you want applying by the product rule. Log a plus log b. So you want applying by product rule. Log of ab. Log of ab equal to log c. Now log get cancelled. The balance term, first x term will write 1 plus sin x into 1 plus cos y equal to c. That is the final answer. Now I am going to question number 5. Solve 1 minus x into dy minus 1 plus y into dx equal to 0. 1 minus x into dy minus it become plus 1 plus y into dx. Y taking one sign, x taking one sign. So dy product inside divide, dx by product inside divide. Now integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides. Here integrating integration of dy by 1 plus y. Here integrating dx by 1 minus x. We know the formula, integration of 1 by ax plus b into dx formula 1 by a log of ax plus b. This is the formula. This formula you want to apply 1 by a. Y before no number 1. 1 by 1 log of 1 plus y. 1 by a. X before minus given a minus 1 log of 1 minus x. So when integrating we get one constant log given log given. So the constant is log c. So log of 1 plus y equal to minus log of 1 minus x plus log c. Minus inside plus log of 1 plus y plus log of 1 minus x equal to log c. Now you want to apply by the product rule. So now you want applying by product rule. Log a plus log b. The formula is log of ab. A 1 minus x, b 1 plus y equal to log c. Log get cancelled. So the final answer is 1 minus x into 1 plus y equal to c. Minus should take it outside. Minus x means plus x. Plus 1 means minus 1. Into 1 plus y equal to c. Minus you can put this side. So x minus 1 into y plus y equal to minus c. Minus c you take it for where minus c is take it for capital C, because minus c is a constant. You take it for some other constant c. X minus 1 into 1 plus y. Minus c I will take it for capital C. This is the final answer. Now I will go into 6th Roman letter. First sum. Solve dy by dx equal to y into sin 2x. Now we can cross multiply dy equal to y sin 2x into dx. Y taking one side, x taking one side. Dy by y equal to sin 2x into dx. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Here integrating dy by y. Here integrating sin 2x into dx. The formula is integration of sin ax into dx minus 1 by a cos ax. You want to apply by the formula dy by y log y minus 1 by a2 cos 2x. Integrating we get one constant c. So log y equal to minus 1 into cos 2x minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. That is the final answer. So balance sums I will continue for next class. So thank you children.